Hi, this is Bob, and today we're going to install a room wall vinyl sticker decal by Sticker-like. If you are into gaming, these can spruce up your decor and get you in the mood to game. This wall sticker is easy to use. It attaches tightly to any clean and smooth surface. They are die cut from premium vinyl, so it's made to survive both indoor and outdoor use. You will need the following equipment not included: scissors, masking tape, application tool like a credit card or a plastic scraper, and a tape measure. To start, unroll the design and let it rest for about 24 hours to flatten out. Use your application tool with medium pressure to go over the top layer with it. This makes sure it's sticking firmly to the transfer paper. Find the center of your design and place a strip of masking tape down the middle and place it on the wall with the tape only. Step back and look. Is it straight? Is it level? Is it the way you want it? Adjust as necessary before moving on to the next step. Carefully separate the bottom back paper from the wall decal and tape layer. Work slowly to make certain all portions of the decal are lifting from the back paper. Continue pulling up slowly toward the center where the tape is. Cut off just the bottom backing paper now. The decal will remain stuck to the top layer of the transfer tape. Next, starting from the center, press the transfer paper with your decal to the wall and apply medium pressure with your application tool. Work slowly from the center out to the edge to avoid bubbles. Repeat the steps for the other side. Next, thoroughly rub over the entire piece with your scraper to ensure all parts of the decal are sticking to the wall. Carefully peel off that top layer now to reveal your design by pulling downward at a 45-degree angle. If you happen to notice any vinyl coming up with the transfer paper, simply re-rub through the paper onto your wall surface with the application tool. Rub over all letters with your fingers to press onto the wall. And congrats! You have achieved a hand-painted look. This has been an install video for a room wall vinyl sticker decal by Sticker-like.